Hello students, welcome to my channel. Prove f vector is equal to y square cos x plus z cube into I vector plus 2y sin x minus 4 into j vector plus 3x z square k vector is irrotational and find its scalar potential. Irrotational means del cross f vector equal to 0. I vector, j vector, k vector. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. I coefficient y square cos x plus z cube. Y square cos x plus z cube. J coefficient 2y sin x. 2y sin x minus 4. K coefficient 3x z square. 3x z square. First close the first column. I vector. Dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Dou by dou y, dou by dou z. 2 sin x minus 4. 2y sin x minus 4. 3x z square. 3x z square. Minus j vector. Close the second column. Dou by dou x, dou by dou z. Dou by dou x, dou by dou z. Y square cos x plus z cube. Y square cos x plus z cube. My 3x z square. 3x z square. Plus k vector. K vector. Close the third column. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y. Y square cos x plus z cube. Y square cos x plus z cube. 2y sin x minus 4. 2y sin x minus 4. By expansion, I vector. Dou by dou y into 3x z square. Dou by dou y into 3x z square. 3x z square. 3x z square. Dou by dou y 3x z square. Minus dou by dou z into 2y sin x minus 4. 2y sin x minus 4. I vector. Minus j vector. Dou by dou x into 3x z square. Dou by dou x into 3x z square. 3x z square minus dou by dou z. Minus dou by dou z. Y square cos x. Y square cos x plus z cube. Plus k vector. K vector. Dou by dou x into 2y sin x. 2y sin x minus 4. Minus dou by dou y. Dou by dou y into y square cos x plus z cube. Y square cos x plus z cube. I vector into dou by dou y 3x z square. Here no y term. So 0. I vector 0. This 0 with respect to z. No z term. So 0. Next minus j vector. Minus j vector with respect to x. x1 remaining 3z square. 3z square. Minus with respect to z. Here 0. Z cube differentiation 3z square. Minus 0 3z square. Minus 3z square. plus k vector with respect to x. 2y constant, sin x differentiation cos x. 2y into cos x. 2y is constant, sin x differentiation with respect to x cos x. 2y cos x. 2y cos x. 2y cos x minus dou by dou y with respect to y. 2y cos x constant, y square differentiation 2y. 2y into cos x. Here 0. 2y cos x. 0. All terms are 0. So irrotational. Irrotational proved. Scalar potential. F vector y square cos x plus z cube I vector plus 2y sin x minus 4 j vector 3x z square k vector. Coefficient of phi. We take first coefficient of phi as dou pi by dou x. Dou pi by dou x equal to y square cos x plus z cube. Next, j vector. Coefficient of j vector as dou pi by dou y. Dou pi by dou y 2y into sin x minus 4. Next, k vector dou pi by dou z is equal to 3x z square. Now, dou pi is equal to cross multiplying dou x. Y square cos x plus z cube into dou x. Integrating on both sides. Integrating both sides. Dou pi. Dou pi is pi. Because dx integration is x. Dx integration x. D pi is equal to pi. Dou pi is equal to pi. Next, with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x. Here y square constant. Cos x into dou x. Cos x integration sin x. Y square constant. Cos x dx. Cos x integration sin x. Sin x. Plus z cube into dou x. Z cube is constant. Dou x x. Z cube into x. Plus constant c1. Next, cross multiplying this term. Dou pi is equal to 2y sin x minus 4. 2y sin x minus 4 into dou pi. Dou pi. Integrating on both sides. So dou pi integration pi. Integrating with respect to y. 2 sin x constant. Y dy integration. Y dy integration y square by 2. Y dy integration y square by 2 sin x constant. 2 sin x constant. 2 to cancel. Next 4 dou y. 4 into dou y integration y. 4y. 4 is constant. Dou y integration y. Plus c2. Constant c2. Pi is equal to y square into sin x minus 4y plus c2. Next, with respect to z, dou pi is equal to 3x z square into dou z. Integrating both sides, pi with respect to z, 3x is constant, z square integration z cube by 3, z square dz. Actually, integration, this formula, x power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Z square dz. Z square dz. Z power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3 by 3. 3 cancel. Plus third constant C3. Now we are combining all the three terms. The result, combine all three terms. First, y square sin x plus z cube x. Second answer, y square sin x, y square sin x minus 4y. Third, x z cube. X z cube. Here, x z cube, same, 2 times. Y square sin x 2 times. Y square sin x 2 times. Now we have to write 1 time. y square sin x plus z cube x minus 4y plus constant. This answer. Thank you.